We finally did it. Here is how you clean up the mess left by acoustic tiles if you glue them to walls. So we finally did it. Well, I say we, but really it was Isabella that did everything. She managed to clean out the old room that I inhabited with loads of acoustic foam stuck to the walls. As you might have seen in the previous video, if you haven't already seen that, go back and watch it. Gunk was left all over the walls. It was a nightmare. We thought we'd have to replaster, but in the end, we didn't have to. Here's Isabella to tell you how she solved the issue.
Thanks, Mike. I kind of tried a lot of different things. Started off with this wire brush, and then once that was done, I took a sander, so one of those electric sanders, and sanded off essentially bit by bit every single part of the room. Once the sanding was done, I filled in the holes in the walls, which were plenty of because Mike had a lot of things mounted onto the walls, of course. So once that was done, I had to paint the walls first with the primer. What it does, it fills the tiny little imperfections in the wall. So I painted the room with the primer twice. Then finally I could actually go ahead and paint with the colors intended. I applied 2 coats of paint and voila, the room is finally ready. I'm really excited to put my furniture in there.
So there you go, pretty straightforward when you got the tools and the know-how, and doesn't the room look absolutely beautiful now? Never ever glue acoustic tiles to a wall, but if you have to, that's how you fix the problem after you rip them down.